Looking to get a transaction for completely free, and on top of that, an over $4 moneymaker, well, this is how you're going to get it. I'm going to teach you how you're going to put coupons together, both digital and paper perks, and you're going to get the best deal that you can get. So this week at Walgreens, a lot of us have gotten a digital perk that is spend 40 or spend 35 and get 7. In my case, I got a spend $35 and get 7 back into my account. And then I also used a booster. If you have one of these paper boosters of any kind and it goes with the amount that you're spending, in my case, this total was $38. If you have one that's $35 or less, one of those boosters, perfect. I had a $5 one, so that's the one that I used. If you haven't seen my videos on how you can get the $5 boosters of spend 15, get 5 back into your account, check those videos out. I've given a few of them. And if you don't know, just let me know in the comments and I'll make you another video for that. Now, don't forget to like and follow so that you can continue to receive the information, the savings, the tips that I give you, and how you're going to put these transactions together. And also, don't forget to share so that more people can enjoy the savings just like you and I. So let's jump into this video right away. So the first thing that I put together was we're having a spend 20, get 10 back in points for the Chic products. But let me give you a tip. It is very important that you combine one male with one of the females. And if when you do that, it's going to be, for example, you're going to get the razor for the men and the refills of the women one. Or you could do it vice versa. You get the refill of the men and the razor of the women one. I just want to make sure that you ensure you're going to get those $10. And I'm sorry, it's not points. It's a registered reward. I'm sorry. So you're going to get back a registered reward for this. This is a in-store deal because you're going to get registered rewards for some of the items. So pick up one of men and one of women. In my case, I decided the razor for the men at $9.99 and the refill for the women at $14.99. We have two digital coupons, one for each of these items. There is a $6 digital coupon that's going to apply to the one that's the refills, so the higher cost one, and a $4 off the one that's the lower cost of the $9.99, so a razor. So the two coupons that are going to come off are worth $10. The two items together, $9.99 and $14.99, will be $24.94. That's over the $20, and that's how you're going to get the $10 in a registered reward. So that's going to bring it down to $14.98. So that is already a good deal. Now, the second thing I picked up was the Colgate products. Again, another tip, please make sure you're listening to what I'm telling you because I don't want you to miss out on your registered rewards. You're going to do a combination of a toothpaste and a toothbrush, or you can do a mouthwash. You have those three choices, but you have to pick one of each. And the reason for this is that if you have been seeing my videos for the past few weeks, you know that normally we pick two of one. So basically two of the toothpaste, two brushes, or two mouthwash. But in this case, we have a $2 off digital coupon that will apply for each of the items. So one of the items. So the total for these two products, $4 each times two, is $8. Each one has a $2 off, and you're going to get back a registered reward of $3. So at the end, there's a total savings of $7 taken from 8. You're going to be left to pay $1 for both, or 50 cents each. I'm telling you the products individually, and then we're going to let you know how you're going to get the savings for everything. The Gillette Foamy Shave is basically $3.49. Check your store because some stores might have it at $3.79, but in my store it was $3.49. So $3.49 for one. The second one is half off, making both of them $5.23. But there is a $3 digital coupon that we got in the Walgreens app, and that brings it down to $2.23 for the both, or about $1.11 for each one. The Gillettes are not giving a register reward or like any points back, but you're already paying $1 and change for each one, so that's already a really good deal. Now let's do the math for all of this. So the first product is $14.99, and that is for the men's razor. Then $9.99 for the refill for the women. We have a total of $8 for the two Colgates at $4 each, and we have $5.23 for the two shaving creams, and that's because we're going to buy one and get the second one half off. So our total is going to be $38.21 for everything, but we're going to have $17 back in digital coupons. We have the $4 off of the razor, the $6 for the refill of the women. We have $2 each of the Colgate products, and we have $3 off the Gillette. We're left to pay $21.17, basically out of pocket. But what are you going to get back? You're going to get back the $7 for that digital perk of spend 35, get 7. Yours will vary. If you have to spend 40, you might have to add something extra to bring it up to that amount. Or if you have one that's for less value, then it'll change a little bit. But this is what I had. Then we're gonna get the $5 for that paper perk that I shared with you about the photos, and you get one printed out. And then we're going to get there's like 38 cents. I forgot. Sorry, 38 cents because you actually get back $7.38 for the digital booster. And then we're going to get back $10 for the spend 20 or more in Chic products, and we're going to get back $3 for the Colgates. So we're saving, basically, we're paying nothing, and then we're going to make $4.17 out of this. So this is how you get everything for such a low cost. You have to keep in mind that you have to be careful when you do the transactions, because if you pick something that it wasn't tried already and we checked it already, then you might not get your register rewards. So be careful when you go shopping. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos. Until the next one, don't forget to smile and share so that more people can enjoy the savings just like you and I.